area. So we're here already at Tallahassee, Florida. Me and my sister, we're staying here at the Hampton Inn Suites, Tallahassee. Sorry, I don't memorize all the names. So let's tour around our room, guys. It's been a long flight, that's why my hair like this, no makeup, no powder. So sorry, but let's take a room tour, okay? So on this side is the closet. Wherein we can put some clothes here and also hang it. And we can use also iron because we need it for the day's event. And some towel and here. And in this one, I don't know, maybe it's for the toilet too if you want to use it. And there's a big mirror here you can use. And of course, we take out our shoes. And let's do here. There's a table here wherein you can charge and put all your things here. The big TV. This room is just enough for me and my sister. And also, some nightlight here. You can sit here, whatever you want to do. And the best part is you can view from the outside. See? This is also the bed. So I take this one and my sister here. It's kind of good, I can say. And also there's a phone here. By the way, this is the one we booked here. It's got a complimentary breakfast. So this is my sister, by the way. She's in charge of taking video and pictures of me.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So see you again.
Yeah.